Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic that what is Microsoft Power BI. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in business intelligence and you want to learn about it. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. Friend, Microsoft Power BI is a business intelligence platform that provides non-technical business users with tools for aggregating, analyzing, visualizing and sharing data. Power BI user interface is fairly intuitive for users familiar with Excel, and its deep integration with other Microsoft products makes it a versatile self-service tool that requires little upfront training. Users can download application for Windows 10 called Power BI Desktop and native mobile app for Windows, Android and iOS devices. There is also Power BI report server for companies that must maintain their data and reports on premises. That version of Power BI requires a special version of the desktop app called Power BI Desktop for Power BI report server. Microsoft Power BI is used to find insights within an organization's data. Power BI can help connect disparate data sets, transform and clean the data into a data model, and create charts or graphs to provide visuals of the data. All of this can be shared with other Power BI users within the organization. The data models created from Power BI can be used in several ways for organizations, which includes telling its stories through charts and data visualizations, examining what if scenario within the data, creating reports that can answer questions in real time and help with forecasting to make sure departments meet business metrics. Power BI can also provide executive dashboards for administrators or managers, giving management more insights into the departments and are doing. Through Power BI is a self-service BI tool that brings data analytics to employees. It's mostly used by data analysts and BI professionals who create the data models before disseminating reports throughout the organization. However, those without an analytical background can still navigate Power BI and create reports. Microsoft Power BI is used by both department reps and management, with reports and forecasts created to aid sales and marketing reps, while also providing data for management on how the department or individual employees are progressing toward their goals. In addition to that, Power BI offers an admin portal for administrators to help configure the implementation of Power BI as well as usage monitoring and licenses. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.